Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today is an exciting one for me. I've been waiting for this vlog for a while now, ever since the announcement of the new AERIEFORCEONE coaster at Fun Spot Atlanta. Fun Spot Atlanta used to be called Dixieland when I was growing up. That's where we used to play laser tag and go-kart riding. But now they've built a multi-million-dollar record-breaking coaster and we're gonna check it out today. Let's go do this. But first, check out this Duff beer hoodie. Isn't this awesome? I got this at Universal Studios. It comes with a beer koozie built in, but I just use it to put my camera in. I don't think I mentioned this, but this park is only 10 minutes away from my house. Black Rifle Coffee Company. Drink it. Now. Cheers, guys. Oh my God, there it is. This is the first time I'm seeing it in person. Look at that monster. Holy guacamole. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I just missed my turn. So we are here super early, exactly an hour before they open, which is our style. What's not our style is we were not one of the first to ride this ride. It's been open for a couple weeks now. Just been so busy, man. Now's the time. But I just pulled into the parking lot and me and one other crazy person are here and we're gonna wait an hour until they open. I'm actually waiting for Matt too. He's supposed to meet me here and I have to give him his pin that I picked him up at Disney. I'm such a good brother. But right off the bat, this place looks completely different from when I was a kid. When I was a kid, they just had like 2 go-kart tracks, bumper boats, and the best laser tag you've ever played in your life. Unfortunately, I think they got rid of the laser tag. I'm not sure why, man. It was the best laser tag ever. It even had 2 stories. But this place looks like it's changed a lot for the better and I'm excited to check it out. This is one of 3 locations they have. One in Orlando, which is really nice. It's really close to the Disney parks. One in Kissimmee and one here. It's kind of a strange situation though, because you see all these small little kiddie coasters and little attractions like go-karts and bumper boats. And then boom, you get a multi-million-dollar roller coaster just in your face. It's kind of strange. But this parking lot is absolutely massive and I think their property goes even further out. So there is room for expansion here. I mean, look at all this property just for a small little amusement park. That is so much parking lot. And from the look of the website, it looks like they do plan on doing some big things with this park. I mean, they're already offering season passes. They offer dining packages. They have souvenir refillable cups. I mean, just like all the big places. So maybe they got a little trick up their sleeve. They even have designated parking for the season pass holders. That's cool. Here are the park hours and parking is free today. That's nuts. Looks like I have another buddy showing up. I thought he was gonna flake on me. We were playing video games last night and he said he was coming, but I didn't believe him. My buddy Casey, everybody. That's a pretty bold statement. They will match your salary. If you guys are interested, here's the QR code. You can pause the video and see what's up. This front entrance right here is actually really nice. Man, they've done a lot of work to this park. Fun Spot. Life is great as long as you follow the rules.
Make sure to stay sober and ready for fun.
All right. Here are the prices for the park. Ultimate Season Pass, which includes all 3 parks, Orlando, Kissimmee, and Atlanta, is $300. Season Pass, $129.95. And the Day Pass is $39.95, which is what we're doing today, and that gives you access to all the rides here. They also have single ride ticket pricing. So if you want to ride AERIEFORCEONE one time, then you have to spend $12. Late.
Hello.
Oh, look at that. Preston Brothers pin trading. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And we are in, everybody. 2 minutes before they open. So when I was a kid, this is all that was. But now you have this $13 million roller coaster and you have all of this. Man, this is really turning into something. I'm happy I'm here to see it. Wow. I don't know if I mentioned this yet or not, but this coaster is built by RMC, which is my favorite coaster manufacturer. Just to give you like some examples, they built Iron Gwazi at Busch Gardens, Tampa. They also built Twisted Cyclone at Six Flags Over Georgia. Two of my favorite coasters, so I'm super stoked to ride it. What you guys think?
It's probably one of the best roller coasters I've ever been on.
I love it except the end.
What happened at the end?
It's the bump, man, dude. It's the thighs and the stomach. It tore up by that.
Okay, so my review on AERIEFORCEONE. Okay, so there's nobody here. We rode like 6 times in a row, just back to back to back to back. There was no line. This, I think, I gotta stop being so excited first, but I'm pretty sure this might be the #1 coaster in Georgia. I love Twisted Cyclone, I love Goliath, but this thing is incredible. Built from scratch, RMC coaster. It's so fast, it whips you so much, and it's so surprising that it's right here in Fun Spot Atlanta, 10 minutes from my house. I think this one might be #1. Matt disagrees with me, he says it's #2. I'm pretty sure this is #1 coaster in Georgia, and you heard it here. After riding so many times, we need some energy. We're gonna see what kind of food they offer in here. I think we have to travel through the arcade to find out. They have something called the Time Tunnel, and it says, the Time Tunnel features an optical illusion effect that may cause slight discomfort or disorientation. I wonder what this is, like maybe like a mirror room or something? And of course, you got your skee ball. I love skee ball. Oh, they have bumper cars inside of the facility here. That's cool. Bumper cars look a little dated, but that's okay. Maybe they still ride good. This is some of the food options they have available. They have corn dogs, nachos, Dippin' Dots. Ooh, they have beer. I didn't know that. You can get refillable souvenir cups, cheeseburgers, pizzas, and chili cheese dogs. So I got a chili cheese dog with fries, and a beer cost me $20.31, but the nice lady at the front said if I am a season pass holder, I get 25% off. So I paid $10 for this beer, but it comes with this cup, and you see it has 2023 on it. So as long as I bring this cup back, I can get $4 beers all season long. Also, they are celebrating their 25th anniversary. Congratulations, guys. If you guys haven't noticed by now, I'm having a blast here today. So we're sitting in line for go-karts, and now that our excitement's dropped down a bit, we've talked about the coaster a little bit more, we have both decided that yes, this is the #1 coaster in Georgia at the moment. It's amazing. You guys gotta come. I mean, yeah, it's just a small park with a single $13 million roller coaster, but it's definitely worth it. The go-karts are fun. They have batting cages. That is the best coaster in Georgia. So me, Matt, and Casey both, or all three of us, agree that that is also the best go-kart track we've ever been on. The one that goes up and down. This place just keeps getting better and better, man. I am a fan. We have another guest joining us. Ari, it's good to have you back on the vlog.
Hey.
Look at you, killing it. You got your dinosaur backpack, straight killing it. Well, that's gonna do it for us, guys. We had a blast today. AERIEFORCEONE is the top roller coaster in Georgia. We have decided, collectively now, we are in agreement. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share, ring that bell if that's something that you're into, but don't you forget, I know Kung Fu.